Alright, as soon as you get a few blocks in your level, you're going to want to test it and see how it works. To do this, you first need to save the level, and so that's File, Save, and you can give it a name, and then hit Save. And then you need to place a starting location for player 1. That's going to be under Level Settings. And we're going to be doing a lot of things with level settings, but to get started here, you can just go to Start Locations. We're only doing a single player game, so you can just do player 1, and you can click anywhere you want them to go. Once you have them in the game, the player 1 starting location, you can just go up to Test Level. The shortcut key for this is F5, or you can just click Test Level 1 Up, and then hit Yes to save your current changes. And now, I can actually run around and test out my game. Now, the next problem with my game is that it's just the size of the screen. So to extend your game to give you more room to play and run and explore, you're going to go back to Level Settings, and now you're going to use these boundaries over here for the level boundaries. The main one you're going to be extending is just the right boundary. Most Mario games are just a side-scroller game where you just run through the game. So if you just click on the background, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to scoot over and just keep clicking. That's going to continue to add more and more room for you to build and add blocks. If you see blocks flashing like this, either on the sides or even on the bottom, that means they're off the edge of the game and they won't actually be viewed by the player. Now that's fine for these ones because that's just kind of off on the edge, but you're going to want to extend your level out to the right, and that's done with level settings and then the boundaries. You may want to extend the top boundary. You might want to have a secret or something hidden up high. So same thing, you click on top boundary and scroll up on the arrow keys, and you can keep clicking to lift that up higher.